The meaning of being inducted into the Honor Society to me created in me feelings of gratitude. Gratitude to have been chosen, to have been, to have it declared that the work you've done in your life is appreciated. So I think gratitude is what it means to me. I began to think back about my law school years and memories that stood out in my mind. So to share a memory with you, one that really stuck out was realizing at law school how law can be an incredible tool, and the knowledge of law an incredible power to have in society. And when I was a first-year law student, I got together with a group of women who were incensed at a particular case that had recently come out dealing with matrimonial property. And the group got together and we decided to make a submission to the provincial legislature about amending that law. And I can tell you it was the most invigorating activity of that first year, although my diligence and my legal studies suffered a little bit as a result. But it was absolutely exhilarating. And of course, I've never forgotten that. And the group went on to become the origins, really, of the Women in Law Association today. In considering my personal and professional accomplishments, I did a survey of my career, and in considering back all the cases that I was involved in during my judicial career, I was touched by many of them. But what is interesting is that when I began to think of the thing that instilled in me some pride, not just some of the cases that I thought I did a pretty good job, but it brought me back to the University of Ottawa. And during a sabbatical year, I had the privilege of teaching a child protection course. And it was the first standalone child protection case that had existed in the university. It had always been part of a broader family law case. I had absolute fun creating the course. The students were wonderful, and most importantly, we began to see a new generation of well-prepared lawyers in the child protection field. And that was a source of pride. The course has continued. We've continued to see more educated lawyers in that field that I consider to be a very important one.